യെസ് ഓഡിബിൾ ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. ഐ തിങ്ക് റാഷിദ് DXB ആൻഡ് ശരത് ശശിധരൻ. യെസ്. Good evening all. So we are going to start the live trade. So first of all we can look at the mark Forex factory. So 6 p.m. There is no major news for today. Only a Canadian dollar. That is a medium impact news. Okay, and tomorrow also there is not. I think in 10 p.m. tomorrow we have a FOMC meeting minutes, but there is no major news for today. Okay, so first we can analyze the gold. This is what
resistance.
change of character for us, right?
That breaks, then it's breakout structure.
Yes. This is an Elliott wave movement. So in the last weekly forecast in last Sunday, we already predicted this movement. This was a diagonal movement that you will learn in the advance. Okay. This moment we already forecasted. At that time the market was in 3339 level. After that market cleared the diagonal movement. Now what we are expecting, now market is creating the next ABC correction. So that is 0 A. This movement we can expect next. Okay, after that we can expect one more 5 wave from here. So this is the moment what we are predicted for the coming week, but for now we need an intraday level trades. Okay,
So market will be in downtrend.
yes, the market will is in a downtrend market. Okay, so here before there was a downtrend market. So this was the breakout, and now market is coming to a equilibrium level, that is below 0.5, right? Then if you plot the fib level, we can see market is in 0.618 and 786 level. So
3307, right?
3307
07.
was the we can expect in this fall. Okay, but we need to go 15 minutes. We need a trade for now. This was the wedge pattern that was completed in the last week.
Pepper stone broker.
Yes.
Not one under.
Oh, no, this is pepper stone because I am using that multiple charts. This already I have my analysis there. So this is a fresh chart. Okay, so this area will be act as a support for this market. Okay, because this was a wedge pattern, was like a descending channel. Here market breakout and market create a change of character, so more orders will be here. Okay, so once time comes to 30 minutes, again coming to 15 minutes, this was the previous impulse that market made, that was 0.5, right? So here we can plot the ABCD pattern, right? This was A, B, and we can find the reversal, right? So the D area will act as what? A reversal. Okay, yes. So that area I'm just marking. I think that is a 786 area almost. Yeah. Oh, between 0.618 and 786 level almost.
So it came in golden zone.
Yes. So now market is creating a correction. So if I plot this is 1.618 level. So in smaller time frame we can go for a buy when market reaches here. Mm, yeah, okay. So wait for the market to reach this zone. Okay, and also we can in 5 minutes time frame there is an Elliott movement we can find. This is 0 1 2 3 4 and this is the fifth wave. If I plot the extension, that is a 1 on 1.272 levels. Okay, so wait to reach market here. Then when market reaches it, if we get a confirmation here, from here we will go for a short term buy.
Can you explain that why that
This is Elliott wave we will learn in advance.
not alone? Before that, you explain ABCD, before ABCD.
Okay, 15 minutes time frame. This was an impulsive movement, right?
Yes, that is
Have you
break
gone
of
any
structure.
trade? Till the trade is not confirmed. Okay.
No, no, I'm not
Okay.
ready.
Okay, thank you.
That is
Thank you.
break of structure.
Okay. Yeah, this was a break of structure.
Yes.
Now it is an impulse,
Yes.
right? And the correction was almost reached the premium level, right? 0.5. Market took the 0.5,
Okay.
right? So where we can plot the ABCD, right? This is a B, and C, and this is 2. That's a reversal zone,
Yes.
right?
0.5 is 2. Correct.
Yes. So here we can see market try to take support this zone, right? But for the better confirmation we can go for a 4-hour time frame, 2-hour. You can see there is a fair value gap that you will learn in advance. That gap will act as a support.
Fair,
Okay.
fair value.
Fair value gap. It's like an imbalance in for the market.
It will feel that gap.
Yes, but this is only a change of character, right? This is not a break of structure, but still we are expecting a bounce back from this level. So we are only going in 5 minutes and 3 minutes time for a trade. Entry and exit will be very fast.
So we can
Okay.
enter without break of structure also here. We can make entry.
No, just wait for a promising candle to up. Okay. So and 5
So with
minutes
what confirmation we can make entry there?
after reaching here, we need a promising candle like hammer and that kind of rejection candle
In 5 minutes or 15
in
minutes?
5 minutes or 15 minutes, no problem. Okay, and if
No, that 0.236 cross closing above that we cannot.
no, directly you can go. And here we can see an XABCD, right? This is X and this is A, B almost nearest to 886, and market create a high here, again low here, so we can't take that level.
Which platform is best for trading?
For which broker you are using for the trading? MT5, MetaTrader 5.
I'm currently using Xnex.
You are using XNS application.
Yes.
We are using a MetaTrader 5.
Yes, I've seen.
Yes, that is better. Directly we can't go a sell here. Okay, that is very risky. But if we, this was a good selling opportunity here. That was before the starting of the live trade, and this also a good selling point, right? I think if you go 15 minutes, there is a good.
Yeah, morning I think we put one sell trade also.
Okay.
How we can
236 close, 113 hunt market just hit the first target. Now market coming to the third target 786. Okay, morning I think we already provided a sell from 334 330 level. Here we have a sell still running.
So what
Okay,
was the trade strategy there
here
for sell? Yes.
so that is a liquidity concept.
Because the morning I was trying to enter for a sell there, but I did not find any that XABCD.
XAV, okay, understood.
So what we have to see there for a sell entry in this situation?
From here,
No, there sell for morning sell.
oh, that sell was when 33 this level, from this level. Okay, that is according to the liquidity concept. Here market take the this is the time of 11 and this is the time of Asian mid. Market collect the Asian mid and close a candle below of the previous biggest candle. So that is a sell opportunity. Now we are in London. Okay, and I think if you see yesterday, is there any news? If you check in 7th, no, there was no news, but still this is the London opening time, right? This is a good market volume generated from this level, right? Because London started from morning evening 4, volume generated from this level. So now market is coming to that level, so that's why we are going for a short term buy from this level. The stop loss should be below of the London time, London price in the Monday.
That liquidity so that we are in
Ah, yes.
that morning sell trade.
Ah, yes, exactly.
So session wise also it will take it will swipe the liquidity.
Yeah, monthly, weekly, session wise.
Daily session wise.
Yes.
For intraday that we have to see.
Yes, for the intraday levels trade, you should learn the liquidity, that kind of liquidity, Asian and other things. So, what is the promising candle, sir? Okay, sound okay. Ujub, yes, I think. Okay. What is promising candle? Promising candle, it's like we are discussing in the basic second class, right? Hammer and bullish engulfing pattern or rejection pattern, something like that. Shaheen Shahal, hello, sir. Does the sell entry is active or waiting to reach? Just 50% we gone for directly for the sell, or you can wait, still the sell limit is there. And because the market has not reached there after the trade was given. Okay, after the trade, that is almost nearest that price. Okay, in that kind of നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനത്തെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ if market that kind of situation, you can go for a partial entries. Okay, so if you take 0.10, if you're planning to take a lots like 0.10, you can go for 0.05 first, and once market reaches the same level, you can go the rest of the lot size 0.05. So always try to layer the lot size, that would be good. Okay. Yes, Shaheen. Yes, Basil Ball. Good evening. Okay, then നമുക്ക് ട്രേഡ്സിലോട്ട് നോക്കാം. As of now, we are waiting for the market to reach nearest 3305 level. Okay, from here we need to take confirmation for a short term buy. We only target the buy till 330 level. Okay, so that will be a 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1 risk reward trade, because this is not a good time to trade, but this is a live trade, we need to take any entry, right? So this is the price when where the high volume generated. Okay, so if I comes to 30 minutes time frame, I'm taking in a Honda chart. Okay, so we can add the volume
this will act as a pole also.
Yes. So I'm just adding the volume. Yes, you can see there was a hike in this area, right? Volume, high volume generated in this price. So that is also another confirmation between 331 and 336 level. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding the market, you can just comment in live chat. Okay. So next we can wait for the gold. So next we are going for currency pairs. Maybe there will be some opportunities. Okay. So before that, I am going to our Discord channel. I think some of the trades we can watch. Okay, this is our Discord channel. These are the last BTC trade what we are provided in the community, but we are waiting for that level to take our entry. This entry is still not activated. Okay, and the last day we have given a GBP JPY trade on in this price. This was a buy limit. That target is already hit. Market already took the 1:2 trade. 1:2 risk reward. Mm, GBP JPY is so already market 100 above that price, but the entry took very perfectly. That was a ABC correction also after completing a diagonal wave. Okay, still one next what we are expecting market will come down, but still we need there is only a on internal structure breaks only we need a proper change of character, right? Change of character only will be applied here. Okay, after that we need a break of structure, then we can expect into the next 5 wave. That will be a downturn market. It's market now acting as a like a head and shoulder double top pattern, but trend is not still not confirmed, just waiting for that break. Okay, then after that we can go for a sell, but still wait for the market. Okay, so next, and also we have a trade in USD JPA, but the trade is not activated. We already informed it, don't need to cancel that entry. And also we have one more entry that was in NSD USD, that was a sell limit, and I think that entry is already activated and market is going into the favorable condition. See, this is the trade now in NSD USD. It's going on. Now we are in break even. This was entry perfectly. Market took our entry. Now market coming to down. Okay, so this was the entry given in our Pipscraft community. This was a sell limit. Okay.
Which community peeps?
This is a Pipscraft gold community. So if you want to join, you should complete the 7 classes, then only you will understand how to take the trades. Otherwise you can blindly take lot size, but the lot size you should how to there are some calculations. Okay, there will be SL, all the things. Sometimes the target is still this euro GBP trade is already hit our target. 1:2 I think. So these are the trades given in euro. This is a swing entry. Still that entry is going on, and this was the entry. This was the buy limit. That is in day time frame. That's a swing level entry. But for entering this kind of levels, you should have at least $20,000 in your account, because this is in daily time frame, not in 15 minutes 1 hour. So the SL will be very high, and this is a euro GBP currency pair. Market now what happened? Market already took the entry. Now we are in break even. Within that we took 2 trades also.
This is swing trade.
Yes, swing or like a short term. I think this entry is activated on I think May 20th.
May 20th.
Yes. See, almost May, June. This is the second month. We are holding this trade still. 50% positions we already cut. Next 50% we are waiting for the previous high. That will be
So what will be the
0.87.
lot size here?
Yes,
This lot size, I mean, here, risk 3% or
that will be high risk. 3%, 5% risk.
3 5
Yes, yes. Yes, good evening, Raihan. Good evening. So have you taken any trades today? We are waiting for a trade in gold and still market just reaching that position. That is a intraday level buy. Okay. Yes, market already reached that position, but high volume generating from that level. So wait for the market because this was the previous three candle was a big candles. So wait some more time because the fall is there is a huge selling activity is going on. So wait some more time, otherwise market will create new lower low. So wait for a promising candle. Still, if you check the 30 minutes, see 30 minutes candle, that was a like a hanging man, right? The second candle was very stronger candle than previous candle, and the third candle is still running. There is 21 minutes left for this candle, right? So wait, still the buy is not activated. The market is very going to strong sell. If you active the volume generating, see, you can see volume is increasing, selling volume is increasing. So wait for the market just reaching this position. Directly don't go for any buy because high volume is generating from that level. Okay, so that is not safe for the buy option. I think this ABCD target is already done. Market almost hit the one also.
that fib is different in advanced period.
Yes. Then next we can go some other pairs. Euro JPY. You X currency. Okay, didn't get now. Okay. Okay, we can wait for the market. Wait. US 100. We can look at how US 100. What is happening? We can start from higher time frame, that is weekly. Comes to daily. This was the gap up that is made in this week. Gap up, market hunting, and again came to, so I think we will get a sell. So we can do one thing, 1 hour time frame. some tariff issues is going on, right?
Yes, that.
I think market will hunt
Don't you
into.
use any indicators?
No, we are not only looking at the prices only.
Price action.
No, yes, purely price action. So better market is creating lower highs, right? So there is a rejection here. 30 minutes. This was the last 30 minutes.
And no moving averages, right?
No, no moving average.
I'm seeing a gold as more downside momentum.
Yes, yes. Now there's a huge selling only is coming. Wait, directly we don't go for a buy. Okay, once the buy is confirmed, we will go with a charting with a target and stop loss.
Come toward 3290
Yeah.
or
So
90.
overall, our down trend market is down.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Overall market is
Yes.
down. Down towards where? In which price? Let's like
I'm expecting 3,100 below 3,100 level.
3100.
Is below. Mm,
In coming weeks? In coming
I think
weeks or
I think in this month, July.
this month?
Yes. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Selling all and okay. So we can do one thing. We can go for a sell in US 100. From 50 percentage of this equilibrium level. Okay. We can go for a short. And SL will be above of the this high. This is this week high. So SL and target we can target on is 2. So this is sell limit. 15 minutes. So only use how to calculate the lot size. So first, before going for a trade in MT5, just first take your trading account then add US 100. Okay, US 100 or NAS 100 you can see. So after clicking NAS 100 you can go for a properties. So in properties you can see the contract size 1. Okay, so my account balance is $58,000. I'm trading with a $58,000 account. So my risk is, for this trade, this is only I'm risking $300. Okay, so 300 divided by, what is the difference between SL and
117.9.
yes, 117.9. I'm rounding into 120. Okay, divide by 1. So take the SL calculator, 300 divided by 120. So I want to take how much lot size? 2.5 lot I will take. That is a sell limit actually. 22716 is the sell limit. So one thing I can do in this situation, I can directly go for a one lot from this point, right? It's nearest that price. So I can directly go for a sell from this range. And what I can do, I can create one more new order that is for 1.5, and that will be a sell limit 22716 price range, 22716 range. Done. So what I am done, my answer is 2.5 lot. Okay, so what I done in the current market cap, I put one standard lot and the 1.5 I use for a sell limit.
So when a market reaches 2 to 716, then it will automatically
Yes,
go for sell.
yes. So now we don't miss that trade. Maybe market will have the SL, I will only lose 300. If it my target, I will get $600. For the intraday level trades, only risk half percentage because I'm using $58,000 account. 1% is almost nearest 600, but I only risk what, 300.
300. So 0.5% risk.
Yes, 0.5%. That you can choose. If I want to risk 100, just change 300 into 100. Okay, please write the trade entry and TPSL. Where is first notice? Maybe US 100 or a NAS 100, you can see. You can round, yeah, you can use according to your for this I only take half percentage because ഈ ട്രേഡ് ഞാൻ എടുക്കണമെന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ട് എടുത്ത ട്രേഡാണ് അല്ലേ, നല്ലൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി കണ്ടപ്പോൾ എടുത്തു എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഇതും മീറ്റ് ആയിട്ടില്ല, പക്ഷെ സ്റ്റിൽ നല്ലൊരു ട്രേഡായിരിക്കും.
In MT5, this is not the US 100.
US 100, yes.
It is there.
Yeah. Can you find it? This is in account, right?
Yes.
Metals, spot, indices, UT 100, US Tech 100. Maybe UT 100 you can see. This is That's in method some other name. Maybe UT100. So just search in MT5 codes. There will be a spot indices folder. There you can search. Entry Aliras, I already updated the entry price in sell limit 227 and 16, but I directly go 50% sell from the current market price and rest of the amount as a sell limit. 22716 is the sell limit. You can put sell limit, no issues. Maybe market will take that also, no problem. Okay, wait. Just a second, my screen is cracking. What happened? Okay, I'm just going to mute the mic. After 10 minutes we can rejoin. Okay, is it US Tech 100? Yes, that's it. NAS 100 is okay, US Tech 100 is okay, UT 100 you can see. Okay, so for now I'm just off the muting the mic. Okay. almost on Shahir $178 ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണോ എന്നുള്ളത് ജസ്റ്റ് കൺഫേം ചെയ്യണേ. ആ ജസ്റ്റ് നമ്മുടെ ഹോംവർക്ക് നമ്പറിലോട്ടൊരു മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചാൽ മതി. Tuesday. നമുക്ക് ഗോൾഡ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 3 ടച്ച് ചെയ്തു, 3296 ഈക്വൽ ലോ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തില്ല.
There are no chance of going up in gold, right?
As of now, yes. This area will act as rejection. Now we are expecting again now.
So there will be no buy entry there.
No, now there is no buy entry. No rejection candle, no promising candle in even 30 minutes. Candle selling strong is
Selling is-
yes. So what is the next possibility is this week low. Once market day, there's a small correction we can see after taking the Monday low. This is a previous day low price. So once it is there, that area will act as a rejection area. Still US 100 trade active ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. So just wait. After opening the 6 p.m. candle, I think 6 or 6:30. 6:30 candle market was bullish. Now just wait for the correction. It's okay. So we can look at another trades. US 30, what happening? Same scenario. There was a bull and market came to the rejection from the previous high and was premium price. I think this is Monday open. Today is consolidating in US 30. So consolidation market. Both US 30 and US 100 there is a correlation. This is also consolidating. This is the opening price of the Monday. This area will act as also rejection. So if we can expect market to till this price range. So next expected movement is once touching this area, this fall we are expecting. Our SL is above that. Also in the previous week, this week high. This is our SL. If any 4-hour candle closes above this price range, then better to cut the trade. Clear. Live clear ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. I think everything is clear. So we can look at the another trades and USD JPY. So there's a USD gold and USD JPY. There is a correlation. You know, right? If USD JPY is going up, then we can see the gold will come down.
All the time?
So opposite correlation.
All the time?
Not all the time, but see, USD is base here, right? Once US base currency is stronger, then gold price will come down, right? Base means USD versus JPY. In XAUSD, USD is the code. There's a difference. That's why this correlation is happening.
Is there any fire or anything that correlated with gold?
DXY,
DXY.
US index.
If DXY is up, gold is up.
No. If DXY is going up, then gold will come down.
DXY is going down, gold is also going down.
No, that is in 5 minutes. This is, see, and so once you enter the trade, just leave it with SL and TP. Okay, no need to tension or no need to be tensed about the trades. Once you put the SL and TP, then just leave it. Okay. Euro USD. Which type of trade? Sell or buy? Within suggestion. So I can look at Euro USD. I think it will be sell, right? In Euro USD, you can see this is the this week low that is collected. In gold, it is also collected. Yes.
Those who have put orders last week, buy order there. So
Yes.
today they sell already correct.
Yes, market will collect. Just now they collect that trade, then there will be a correction. So you can expect a 50% or 382 level of this impulse. That will be the next wave, starting of the next wave. That is what is exactly liquidity. Don't trade using liquidity. Find waves. Okay.
Euro is also down for today.
Yeah.
Will gold go more down for today?
Uh,
Is there any possibility?
Not today. Do you holding any trades in gold? Have you any sell order in below of 3,300?
I
No.
have mix of position, but I only
Okay.
trade in gold.
Only trading in gold.
No
Okay.
other pairs.
See, this is so we can look at that. I'm taking a 2 hour.
I still have buy order when it breaks 2100.
Okay, okay, okay.
I
Good,
did not
good, good.
close it.
So I think this is 1 hour time frame. This was the previous huge impulse, right? That is created a change of character. So now market, there is a huge volume is coming, right? So market will definitely hunt this position also. This is today weekend possible. Today market will hunt 3274 level. 3274.
3274 might come.
Yes, yes. And this is I think last week low, right? And maybe 50% will come and the correction will happen. What happened to Bitcoin? Still staying there. So for the Bitcoin, this is a good buying zone. Okay, this was the impulse, like exchange of character and create a impulse, right? Again creating lower high. If market again come down, this will be good buying zone, and also this is a discount zone also. And you can see multiple time market.
Discount from down.
No, discount means this was low and this is a high, right? That is the 50% level. So once market needs reaches here, we can take confirmation here, then we can go for a buy. Same date. See, this was the previous 786 level, above one 786. Hit the target. Again, market creating XABCD.
So in discount, we don't have to see the change of character or breakout structure. No.
Here,
No, there in discount structure when market reaches discount structure.
this is a, when market break this level, that will be a change of character, right?
Yes, change of character.
Okay. So what change of character means? Market will not go down. Just trying to change the character. Where we can plot a XABCD,
So
proper
there
M
directly
pattern.
we can make an entry.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now US 100 is on our way. So this is the time 5:30. Market just hunt, then rejected. So that means there's a lot of orders in this place. So just wait for the market for the target. Once market break the previous low, we move the SL into break even. Okay, so people who take this trade in, I think in live, there's a lot of people. Once market reaches to below 22586, just move the stop loss into break even, then hold into the 1:2 target. Okay, so that is for your safety. Otherwise, hold the market. Okay. Okay, so this is the session. So we are going to wind up this session. So this is a trade update for US 100. So today we took a trade in US 100. Now this is in profitable. So this is the stop loss for now. So once market reaches to below 22,586, just move the stop loss into break even or at least this area. Okay, then target the 1:2. Okay, because this is a previous low, so there will be liquidity, so you should move the SL into break even. So this is for today. So we are going to wind up this session. Thank you for joining. Yes, Vishal Chandra, thank you for joining. So what the update will be, we will update through the Pipscraft community. So if any update regarding to this trade, we will update. Okay, thank you.